Hello, good afternoon. What's your name?
Sajantia,
Which country are you planning to apply?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you think about the event so far?
I think it's super beneficial for whoever who comes here. I got like few ideas about the Sydney and Melbourne universities. Yeah.
All right, perfect. And I wish you good luck with your higher studies.
Thank you.
ඔයාද ඉවෙන්ට් එක ගැන මොකද හිතන්නේ?
ඇත්තටම ඉවෙන්ට් එකට දෙන්න අවස්ථාවේ මට කන්සල්ටේෂන් එක ඉතිරි ඔක්කොම දැන් මට මේ ඇප්ලයි කරන්නත් මේවා කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩක් නොලෙජ් එකක් ලැබෙනවා. ස්මූත් ඉවෙන්ට් එක යනවා.
Hi, good afternoon. What's your name?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ayash.
Ayash. Which country are you planning to apply?
I'm planning to apply for UK.
UK. Perfect. Okay. What do you think about the event in general?
The session is actually really great, so it's very informative. So you get a clear view about what to do and when to do, and what are the universities actually the possibilities you have for the masters and all. It's really great.